Pest infestations can be common due to climate and environmental conditions, especially in places like California. When looking to get rid of and prevent future critters, it is essential that you hire a professional pest control company to assess your specific situation and determine the most appropriate treatment plan.
We find insect pressures, termite pressures around the United States and other locations like in Florida and Hawaii notably. But in California, Southern California specifically, they flourish here. And it's all got to do with the weather. And I always tease, just like we like to live here, they do too. A lot of the homeowners, the most expensive investment that they have are their homes. And these drywood termites get into their properties, and it's important that they have a robust service to be able to eradicate those infestations. They could do a lot of damage, they really can, and they're cryptic. That's the reason that fumigation is such an invaluable tool for us. An inspector can do an inspection, and if he finds the activity in a fascia board or a rafter tail, they could easily treat that with a variety of different pest control products that are available, like liquid treatments. The problem is, in a home like behind us, if you have 20 or 30 different spots where they're infested in the home, there's probably a lot of other areas that you can't even find, areas that are into inaccessible spots, and that's when a whole structure treatment with Vicane gas fumigant is the very best.
I tell people in Southern California, every 1 to 2 years it's a good idea to have a complete inspection. So you may see one specific area that you're concerned with, but our job would to kind of give you a comprehensive look at the whole entire structure. So we're going to be going in attics, we're going to be going in basements, sub areas, all around the exterior, where we're physically probing the wood to see signs of infestations. And from there, we'll give you a full report of what we see and the recommended treatment options that you may have. This specific termite, it's called a drywood termite, and they get all their moisture content from the wood itself. So they're not in the soil, they live in the wood, and that could be behind a wall, that could be in an area that you can't see. So typically, if you see 1 or 2 areas that is obvious, it's more likely that there's other signs of them too in the house. That colony will stay in there, but it's going to branch out and build a new colony. It may be from one section of the house, it could be from the neighbor's house, it could be from a fence. Basically, anywhere that they're currently infesting, they can swarm and continue to build.
Quality Pest Services specializes in performing fumigation and heat. This process is an effective way to safely eliminate a wide variety of termites, bedbugs, roaches, or rodents.
Fumigation is the preferred method because it's a whole structure treatment. It can be a one and done. We'll start a physical inspection first to make sure that all people, plants, and pets have been removed from the property. We'll do a setup where we put in fans to do the introduction of the gas. We'll open drawers and cabinets so that the gas can get in and out readily. We'll crack open the attics, and then the licensee comes outdoors. He'll lock up the property, and we perform the application from outside the structure. Vicane gas is actually a non-residual true gas. Once the gas goes in, it exits out of the property. There are no concerns about having to wipe down countertops or wash your linens or even your dishes and silverware. There is no residue that's left behind that needs to be cleaned up afterwards.
Knowing that your home is free from pests can give you peace of mind.
I've sold many homes, and every time I have, we have used Thrasher as our termite company, and they've used Quality as the fumigators. The entire experience has been top-notch. They did everything that they said they were going to do. They showed up on time, they kept me within the budget, they made sure I was comfortable with the entire process. They make me feel like I'm a valued customer of theirs.
We're very fortunate to have created great partnerships with some of the best termite companies there are throughout Southern California, just like Garrett and Thrasher Termite and Pest Control that we're working with today. They're very selective about the companies that they partner with because they have high expectations of what the level of service is that they are accustomed to, and that's what makes them a good fit for us as well.
Fumigation provides the homeowner peace of mind by delivering a one-and-done treatment that completely eliminates all drywood termites or bedbugs in your home.
We're going to continue to grow and offer additional service offerings that fit in with our subcontractor model. We look to expand into other states, and we're looking to offer fumigation services throughout the state of California sometime in the future.
To find out more about Quality Pest Services, visit qualitypestservices.net or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.